Now, you might not think that packing starts with the computer, but for me it does. You check the weather. Always check the weather so you can plan by the day. The next thing I do when it comes to packing is lay out the clothes for each day. Now, you could be going on a beach vacation where you're going to sit on the beach every day, so every day you need a bathing suit and an outfit to change into after the pool. But if you do have any special activities planned, like let's say you're in Disney and one day you're going to the parks and another day you're sitting by the beach, make sure you pack for that day according to what you're doing that day. So for the trip we are going on, I basically know that I need a sweatpants outfit for my son each day of the trip, and then based on the itinerary that we have, I'm going to figure out if we need a nighttime outfit or not, and pajamas. So I literally have it laid out by day. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So then I think of it like this. Wednesday night, we're getting on the plane. I have the sweatpants and the shirt. Before we leave, we're going to shower, so he needs underwear and socks. That is my Wednesday. When we arrive on Thursday, it's going to be late. We're just going to go for a casual dinner. So I have a sweatshirt, jeans, underwear, and undershirt. Done. At the bottom of the Thursday pile, I'm going to put pajamas, his favorite Diary of a Wimpy Kid pajamas. And I use pajamas 2 days in a row. Wednesday pile, Thursday pile. I'm looking at my itinerary on the schedule for Friday. I want him to look a little bit nicer, not, a cartoony type shirt like that. So I got this outfit with a nice sweatshirt that has stripes on it. That's going to be his Friday day outfit. Since Friday is the day I think we're going to end up at the kotel, I'm putting this kippah with it because it is my husband's kippah from when he was a little boy when he went to the kotel. So that is Friday, and here is Friday night. Friday night, I know we're having dinner at the hotel restaurant, so I have a button-down shirt here with black jeans, socks, underwear, and a nice black kippah. And he's going to wear these shoes. We got our Friday bag all ready to go with the outfit for the day, the outfit for the night on the bottom, and we are going to recycle pajamas from Thursday. So by the way, guys, everything is going inside a Ziploc bag each day. So for Thursday, 1/18, I want to save the jeans for I'm not sure when yet, and I'm going to save the PJs. And then all of Thursday is going to go right inside that bag. And then Friday's bag, 1/19, use yesterday's PJs and save the black jeans for Saturday night. Friday's stuff goes right inside of Friday's bag. For Saturday, I think we're going to swim in the indoor hotel pool for the morning. So I have my long sleeve t-shirt that he's going to wear with his sweatpants during the day. But I'm also putting with it the bathing suit. So I also don't put socks with the daytime outfit because they're going to end up wearing the socks from the night before after they showered when we went out for dinner. So that's my Saturday daytime package. I actually have to let him try that bathing suit on because it's brand new. So I have a note here that says add bathing suit. But for the rest of Saturday, I have Saturday night because I'm saving the jeans from Friday, the black jeans. It's going to go with this shirt, underwear, and socks. And that's Saturday night. And then, since we're on day 3, we have a new set of pajamas. So we have pajamas, nighttime outfit, and daytime. There's Saturday. And of course, the notes on Saturday's bag say use black jeans from Friday and save PJs. So that's it. I'm going to keep going on like that. I don't think you need to watch me go through each and every single day, but that's basically the way I do it. For my daughter, I'm going to add in hair accessories, costume jewelry that she might want to wear certain days. I make sure as the days go on, I take out the shoes I need, I put socks where they're needed, and that's really basically it. Let me know what you think, if this is something that you might ever do, or you think I'm insane. Go, kid number 1 is done. Each bag, I sucked all the air out of it. That's an entire day's worth of clothes, and it takes up like half a suitcase, maybe less. And then I have little notes on each one where I have to add stuff. Got all my bags here. I got little notes where I have to add things, like I have to add the bathing suit here and add underwear because I didn't have enough underwear to pack for 10 days from now and then still have clothes to wear now. So I taped the little notes on so they don't go flying away, for wind. For when you close the door and, it creates a little bit of wind in the room. So I'm scared that they were going to fly off and I was going to know which bag to add the stuff to. And then this is the important bag, Buddy's Extras. In here, I'm going to put an extra 2 pairs of underwear, socks, sweatshirt or 2, maybe a baseball hat, and extra kippah or two, and that's really it. I kind of try to keep it light on shoes also. He's going to wear his regular like school sneakers on the plane. I have a note here that says pack real sneakers for when we're hiking up Masada. Flip-flops for the pool. Those are for when he's too lazy to tie his shoes at night. And those are when I'm going to tie the shoes for him, and I want him to look a little bit nicer. And that's really it for him. Toiletries go in toiletry bags as a family. And, oh yeah, here on the side is the airplane clothes. I didn't put those in a bag. So I've got that all set up in my guest room. Got the suitcases here ready to go. Next up is my daughter. It cost me almost nothing. It was like $2 in Ziploc bags. They came 5 in a package from Dollar Tree. They were $1 each, obviously. And, oh my gosh, when you don't have to refold the clothes when you're unpacking into a hotel room, it's amazing. You just take the Ziploc bags out and stick them in a drawer, and then in the morning you hand your kid a bag and they can be on their own for the whole day. So I love that way of packing. I don't know.